Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming basics that often fix hotspots fast. Check iOS and that your carrier plan includes personal hotspot. This is why permissions matter. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds to reset radios, then turn it off so signals refresh. Next, restart both your iPhone 13 and the device you want to connect. A reboot clears transient network glitches. These quick actions eliminate many common causes and prepare the phone for the detailed steps that follow. Now you'll configure tethering and dig into network controls so the hotspot works reliably. Go to Settings, Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. Turn it on and create a clear, strong password so only authorized devices join. If the hotspot still doesn't appear on the other device, reset network settings to clear bad profiles. This removes saved Wi-Fi and VPNs, but often solves stubborn issues. If Wi-Fi discovery remains problematic, connect via USB or pair over Bluetooth. To complete the tethering, finish by validating the connection and preparing a fallback fix so you can use the hotspot. Try connecting a second device to determine whether the issue is the iPhone or the client. This isolates the problem quickly. Make sure carrier settings are up to date by opening Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About, and accepting any prompts. Carrier updates can restore tethering. If problems persist after these attempts, contact your carrier with results in hand. They can check provisioning, but you'll already have eliminated common device-side causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.